Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Laura Carr and I'm in my studio making my album, which I'm going to release sometime next year. I'm currently working on a song called Forget Me Not Blues, and I've been learning how to use the Studio One to build up the tracks. I'll show you what I've been up to this week. Okay, so here I have the Studio One program open, and this is for Forget Me Not Blues. I've initially put down a guide track. So I've done that, and then basically go back into the program and build everything else on top of it. So this week I have been adding a program drum kit. So I have learned how to play drums a little bit, but for the benefit of making the record nice and tight, I've used this. So there we go. So you can see here I've put in, I can solo this so you can hear. And I've used a bass kit that I've found. It gives you all these options that you can choose, like a different kit for doing it. And then I've gone on and added another drum kit. So if I go on there, this one's called Atmospheric Chill, but I think I started out with something completely different, and then I've gone through and changed. Let's solo this as well, that as well. Funky kit. But I settled on this Atmospheric Chill. I think that sounds quite nice. The other thing that I've started to add this week, a little bit of strings. Let's have a little listen. So a bit of violin, a bit of harmonised violin, and I've put some bass on as well, so you can hear the bass there. So there's a lot of exciting stuff going on. I'm working on it gradually, bit by bit, but hopefully I'll have that track ready soon. Then I've got the rest of the album to work on, so that'll be fun. But anyway, just keeping you updated, and I shall see you soon.